Today we're at the Binghamton Zoo in Ross Park with Melissa. Hello, Melissa.
Hi, Cole.
Who do you have there?
So this is Larito, and she is a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot.
I like the coloration she has.
She is. She's very, very pretty. And she's actually one of our oldest animals we have in our education collection. She's about 31 years old.
It's pretty old.
That is very old. But these guys can actually live very long. They can live up to 80 years in captivity.
How long? What kind of environment do they live in?
So these guys actually prefer more of like a rainforest type setting. They tend to live in large groups in the wild. But these birds in general are monogamous, so they pick a mate and they stay with that mate.
What do they eat in the wild?
So they're pretty much herbivores. They like fruits and nuts, and they have that nice sharp beak, strong beak to help crack open those nuts to eat them.
What do you feed them here?
So we feed her kind of a fortified parrot diet, but she also gets fresh fruit. And she does get almonds, whole almond nuts that she has to break open to actually get the nut inside, and it's a nice treat for her.
How big do these birds usually get?
So she's actually full grown. They get about, probably about a pound or so, and they're not really large parrots. They're not like the big macaws that some people have.
How big do their wingspans usually get?
So she has about probably a 1.5 to 2 foot wingspan.
Do her eyes help her see and catch prey?
No, she's actually, because she's an herbivore, she doesn't need to catch any prey. She actually doesn't even eat insects. She doesn't eat bugs or any mammals of any kind.
So it's mostly used for eyesight and seeing the colors?
Yep. Yep, exactly.
What are those claws usually, talons usually used for?
So she actually uses her talons to grip trees. They live in trees, and so she can climb you know, on a branch or, you know, up the trunk of a tree pretty easily using both her feet and her beak.
Is there a difference between the male and the female parrots?
No, actually, this particular species is not different when you look at males and females together. Sometimes in some birds you can tell maybe the female might be a little bit larger in some birds, but in general, the males and females of this species are the same exact color.
How many eggs do they usually lay?
So they can have anywhere from 2 to 4 babies, you know, 2 to 4 eggs.
And how big are the babies when they hatch?
They're pretty little. They're very, very little. They're completely helpless too, so they don't have any feathers whatsoever, and so they completely rely on the parents for survival.
Well, thank you, Melissa, for telling us about these parrots.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
And if you guys are liking this series so far, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel.